Hey guys, good morning. I just got a message from Robinhood that I did get my shares filled for Robinhood. It's basically Robinhood letting me know that I got filled on my shares. You can see right there, about 100 shares for a $38 price tag, and I spent $3,800 on this. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what goes from here. They are gonna be listing today. Not really sure how high or how low they're gonna go, but we'll kind of go from there. We'll see. We'll kind of keep an eye on this for the rest of the day, just to see how Robinhood's actually trading, and then we'll come back after like a week, a month. I'm not really too worried about Robinhood as this is like a long term hold. It's not really gonna be something that I'm gonna swing trade or whatever, and then we'll kind of go from there. If anything, if price shoots down, I mean, I'm not spending my full amount of money on this. I want to see what happens to the price. If price goes down to like maybe under $30, I'll probably buy a little bit more. If it goes under like 25, I'll buy more. If it goes under 20, I'll buy more. It really just depends. I won't be buying anything until there's actual like resistance and support levels to go by. So I might wait like a month just to purchase something. But yeah, got filled, 100 shares, $3,800. I'm probably gonna sell a call on this as soon as I'm able, as soon as options open up, and then we'll kind of go from there. Bye.